Hey, Charlie. What do you want for lunch?
Mama's.
You want to go to Mama's for lunch?
Mama, Aunt.
What do you want to eat?
Aunt.
What do you want for lunch?
Aunt. Aunt.
What do you want to eat?
Aunt. Aunt.
What do you want for lunch? Charlie. Stop. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Oh, God. Come here. Charlie.